Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town.
Alright, what's up everyone? So today we're gonna be cooking a little TikTok meal. And it's like a little hibachi. I'll put it up on the screen later on, but we're gonna start a new series to where we're gonna try TikTok foods and we're gonna review them. And hold on, gotta let Coco in. You got anything you wanna say? No! Camera shy, that's cool too. All right.
The fuck is you looking at, my nigga?
So anyways, let's get to it. All right. So these are all the sauces that you're gonna need in a way. It's gonna say use sugar, but if you don't got sugar, use some brown sugar. This is just all for the sauce. But we're gonna start with the rice and we're gonna put it in here. I don't know how much I'm gonna use though. But we'll figure that out. It's okay. So we're gonna just open this thing up. Break it. And there's some rice up in here. Actually need some more rice. Spoon, mix it around just a little bit. I don't know if it's gonna be a little too less or too much, but never hurts to have too much rice. So I do have my
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
tough. So I do have my shrimp. I guess I don't really use shrimp in my hibachi for real. I just mainly use steak. But since we're following the TikTok recipe, we're going to be using both today. And I am going to go ahead and peel my shrimp. Hopefully I don't mess it up. I can't really peel shrimp for shit, so that's just me. But what I did do, since it was already cooked, is just put in some water and just let it sit and then unthaw. And then I'm probably gonna cook it with the rest of the stuff later. So as I patiently, what the? Excuse my dog. Sometimes I'm trying to protect the house when there ain't nothing to protect, for real. You are okay. Coco, ain't nobody. So anyways, as I peel this, I was trying to think of like kind of things to do in a way. Cause I know I feel like I know how to cook. It's just I don't do it a lot. I kind of get lazy in a way. So I feel like this would kind of help my habit TikTok videos. And I have like a whole bunch of say videos. I always want to try these recipes, but I just don't really have the time. I really don't be having the time because literally I work out, and then I'm in bed, or I'm playing the game, or I'm playing 2K. For the people that know me personally. But yeah, I don't really be having time to cook. So when I do cook, I usually hit my go-to protein meal, and that is basically I cook a steak Alfredo. Oh shit! Trying this. As you can see, before this video, I was never able to peel a shrimp like this. Anytime I go eat at a restaurant, half of it's gone. So today must be a good day. So we have our shrimp here, and you don't have to use this much shrimp if you're just cooking for yourself. I'm personally do this because I'm kind of cooking for my mom, my brother, and his girlfriend. So going back to this, yeah. So I just have this on 7 or something. I'm just gonna slowly keep checking back on it. But in the meantime, I think we're gonna start on the sauce. So I'll throw this the skins away. All right, so the recipe calls for melted butter, and I haven't melted my butter yet, so we're about to get it. We gonna cut it up. We gonna cut these butter up.
Is this nigga serious?
I don't know how much butter I'm gonna cut up, but I'm probably gonna do about this. Y'all can't even see for real. Like this. That's a lot of butter. We gonna go about like, yeah, we gonna go right here. We gonna right here. We want this to be soft, so we gonna cut that up. We gonna put it in here, and we gonna put it in the microwave for about. We gonna see how long. I don't know. Probably 30 seconds, hopefully. Probably a little less than that. I don't know. I'm just doing shit. So don't let that shit. And let's go ahead and get started with this sauce. So I got my bowls over here. And I got clear bowls because you just had clear bowls in the video. So we about to just go ahead and get the mayo. The mayo.
Mayonnaise on an escalator. It's going upstairs, so see you later. My boy to the sky. I wanna see you as you get as high. You know you're not in the sky, you're escalating away.
We got the paprika. And oh, my bad, the butter almost exploded. This is why I shouldn't be in the kitchen. But anyways, we got the garlic sauce, tomato paste, and I think it's sugar. I don't know, I gotta look back at the recipe. But anyways, we gonna go ahead and get a spoonful, and you know the rest of the shit. See, the rice is almost done. I don't know how long I've been cooking that for, probably like a good 5 minutes. But we're gonna get the mayonnaise. It's gonna take about I don't know, I just bought this. You can use whatever mayonnaise you want to. I don't really eat mayonnaise, so I had to go to the store and get some. But you gotta get some mayonnaise, throw that sucker in there. We're gonna throw a little bit more mayonnaise. So then we gotta get tomato paste. We gotta get tomato paste. Sorry, the rice scared me. We gotta get tomato paste, and I gotta get a can opener. I don't know why they don't serve this in bottles, but we gonna figure it out. So we gonna add some yeah, we gonna get that tomato paste open for you. Let me pump it. All right, so we gotta add some vinegar. Forgot that in the recipe. My bad, but some rice vinegar, but we gonna add some vinegar. We get up. I ain't gonna lie to you. So we gonna add this up in here. Just a little bit. What else? Oh, the tomato paste. Let me go ahead and open that mug up, and then I'm gonna get back to y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Oh shoot. I was struggling to open this because I couldn't find my can opener, but we got it open. And I don't know why they do this. This mug didn't even have one of those, those things where you lift it up and turn it. And it didn't have one of those. So don't do what I do. If I have your parents help you or something, I don't know. So we about to add a little bit of garlic powder. I think that's enough. And then we about to open the pepper. I think that's enough. And then we gonna put it in our ghetto brown sugar. And then I gotta get the paprika in the back hiding behind the rice. But we gonna get that. And when y'all making y'all sauce, don't forget the water part, cause I almost did. Now I'm about to mix this up, and I'm gonna get back to y'all. By the way, this shit look disgusting as fuck, but I think you're gonna mix it like this. You know, you gotta whip it up in the kitchen like you really back there doing that stuff. Let's put it on the pan. Say ain't that a shit. Anyways, it's kind of looking like Y'all can't even see for real, for real. I don't want to spill. I already spilled it on my. Anyways, it's kind of looking like a video. You know, my pepper don't look too nice in this motherfucker, but it kind of look nice. We gonna see. I ain't gonna lie to you. That one there, but it's not there. Like it's there, but I don't know. I'm scared. I ain't gonna lie. I'm scared. All right, y'all. So now we about to get my onions and garlic. Mind you, I'm sorry if I'm forgetting stuff. Like, I'm just going by the flow and I'm just following the video. But I'm gonna put the whole like recipe down in the description. And y'all go from there. I'm gonna put the video too. So go ahead and get the minced garlic, and you want to get you some onions. And we're gonna chop them suckers up, and we're gonna put them in a little stir fry thing. Now this is where the real skill comes. So we gonna get to it. Oh, all right. So now we about to go ahead and mince these suckers. Like I told y'all before, I'm not that great at the cook. So if my directions sound mad, well, that just sucks.
Be real. I don't think anybody fucking cares.
Couldn't be me, you know. I'm the one cooking right now, so. Almost cut myself. That's what I get. Almost cut myself. I don't really know how to mince things, you know. We just going with the flow of everything. Like I said, I can cook, but I can't cook. I ain't never really cried cutting onions, cause you know I'm a greedy motherfucker. I'm greedy. But Coco, hey, I'm gonna need you to chill out. I'm sorry, y'all. I wonder if my phone is working at AT&T. They need to stop playing. You know, something that's interesting. I never thought that it would take so long to put an order together for a phone, because you know I had to get. I'm about to get a phone, and I ordered like I was trying to get curbside pickup, whatever, blah blah blah, because I didn't want to wait for it to get shipped. And I thought I was gonna get this motherfucker today. It's been about 4 or 5 hours for this. Coco, get the fuck down. You just kiss me. Anyways. Coco, get down. Get what's up? All right, that seemed that. I think that seemed right. I think that's how this look to y'all. Y'all tell. That look missed to y'all. I think it look missed. We just gonna go with it at this point. Like there's no success and fail in this relationship and me trying things. I hope y'all been cooking y'all rice. Don't let that shit burn. Please don't, cause I didn't tell y'all when to stop. But you should know when to stop with rice. All right, that's the number one thing you need to learn how to cook if you don't know. So, all right, so I don't know okay, so I got my minced garlic. Now, he said veggies in the video. And surprisingly, I had these in fridge. Stir-fried veggies, whatever. So I'm about to cook this up. And I'm about to cook it with the other stuff. Yeah. And we just gonna go from there. Gonna put it all in the pan. Y'all follow the video and then come back to this video. Cause my directions really ain't that, but we just starting. It's okay. Another thing, before I even go on to put things in the fryer, make sure you got you some eggs. Cause we about to put one good egg, one waste good egg in this meal. So yeah, just checking. So for those of you going on a whisk egg, oh shit. You gonna crack the egg first in this sucker. And then you just gonna pray to Jesus as you just rotate your arm, you know. I kinda do it at an angle. My whistling ain't the best, but I do it at an angle in a way so just so you don't have no air. Make sure you ain't, keep in tight circles. Don't listen to me at all. Just keep tight circles and pray to God that you're doing it right. I was never that good at whisking in school. This is why I failed home ec.
Literally, lock yourself in a room and think about what you just said. Literally, because this is unacceptable. How can you say that?
I think it should look like that. I don't know. It should look like that. So we're gonna put all this in the pan. Got your diced onions. We gonna put them suckers in here. We gonna, I'm scared. We gonna put those in here. It'd probably be better if I turn on the freaking stove. I probably should have put some butter in there first, but also get you some butter in there, a little bit of butter. Let that sucker, melt up in that pot just so your stuff don't get too sticky in there. And we're about to get a spoon. I got it right here. Take some minced garlic. Put a spoonful up in there. Just a little more. We're gonna have that in there. Then we're gonna add this is hot still. We got our rice. So we're gonna get that sucker in here. Now you can empty it with whatever you got. You could do it. So we're gonna take the rice and we're gonna put this in something. I kind of made a lot of rice, so you don't have to follow me exactly. Oh, this is a lot of rice, but like I said, I'm cooking for 3 people, so we're gonna be all right regardless. So all that rice is gone. Put that over here. Chill. Not yet. We're gonna put the egg in here. I forgot to cut these open, but I'm going to cut these open now. And we're going to cook this even though they're frozen. But I really, personally, don't care. So, pour your veggies into the pot. Hopefully I don't catch the house on fire. But let's see. Let me mix up everything just to make sure everything's cooking. And then we're gonna get on to preparing the meat. After I get all I just dropped a damn pepper in it. See, this is why y'all shouldn't follow me cooking. I'm gonna just do food reviews. I'm gonna just prepare it and do food reviews after, bro. Not doing this no more. I forgot to add the soy sauce. I mean the sesame oil. I gotta open it first. I'm just doing rookie mistakes. Do this before you put the rice and the vegetables. Don't be like me. I honestly don't know what I'm doing, and this food is perfect. Coco, I don't have time for this. So put your sesame oil in there. Put your, soy sauce in there. And I believe that is it for just this part. I think now we're gonna get to the meat. So, you said tomorrow? Probably. So, I don't know, I put it to about 6 or 7, just so the frozen veggies can get done. And I'm about to go cut up the meat. And yeah, we're just gonna go from there. I'm gonna let this sit, just like, I don't know, I'm going back and forth in between just so I can, just so it don't like just sit and burn at the bottom. and I'm flipping it over because my rice is all sticky right now. I didn't do this so well, but I feel like it's gonna turn out good. So we're about to go prepare the meat real quick. I'm gonna put this on a low. Prepare the meat. So with the rice and stuff, let that cook for a minute just because the frozen veggies and all the other stuff. So while that's like cooking, but just try not to let it sit. Like go back every now and then and kind of mix it up. Don't try to let it sit. So now I'm about to cut up the steak and get my seasoning together that I'm gonna put on to the steak. And the seasoning is in the video, and I'll also put it down in the description for y'all. So let me get that prepared right now. So one thing when cutting your steak that I do personally, it's just a personal preference. I tend to try to cut the little white stuff, off, just because I don't really like a lot of fat in the so I kind of, stack all that stuff up while I'm cutting it. Just I don't know, it's just a preference. I don't know if it does anything or not. That's just me. All right, so I have my steak and shrimp all seasoned now, and I'm about to put them in separate pots, cook them, and then they're going right over there, and I'm gonna cook that just a little bit more. So I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get done with all this and clean up all of this. So I'm just buttering down the pan, just make sure everything's set to go. Same thing for the shrimp. I try to do it in 2 separate pans so I can cook this back faster. My goodness. Oh. So I'm about to go ahead and pour my steak in. Now I am going to pour my shrimp in too. Also, if you're cooking, make sure you get you some tunes in. I can't really cook in silence. I have to have music. It just sets the vibe. Sets it. But yeah, that's just one thing I want to say before this. But yeah, this is almost done. I'm gonna take this off in a minute, and then I gotta go pick up my phone. So we're gonna hurry up and get this done. All right, sit, Coco, sit, lay down, roll over, Coco, roll over. Here you go.
Did you already eat off the fork?
No, I just got no one.
Well, that way.
This is yours.
I can't eat all of that. That's too much. Put some back.
Put some. Okay, then just take some then. You like it? For real? You got it?
Oh, that's for now.
Okay. Just making sure. I'm about to try it with the sauce now. Let's see how good it tastes. Get a good chunk of everything. Whew. All right. I ain't gonna lie to you. I done did something. This sucker is good. I'm just kidding. All right, y'all. I'm gonna give this a. What you give it, man? Yeah. Scale of 1 to 10. What you give it?
Oh, I give it a 10.
Are you just saying that because I'm your son?
No, it tastes pretty good. It's got a nice flavor.
Okay. Well, I'll give it a 9.5 out of 10. This is a solid recipe. I'm gonna catch y'all later. So I gotta go pick up this phone. But deuces.